Last Saturday, I finally had a much needed day off from my busy work schedule. I felt completely exhausted because the past week had been incredibly long and stressful. So I decided to sleep in until 9 a.m. It felt wonderful to wake up without an alarm clock for once. After I eventually woke up, I made a hot cup of coffee and sat by the window to enjoy the morning. The weather was absolutely perfect. The sun was bright and the sky was a clear, brilliant blue. I decided that I didn't want to stay indoors, so I made a spontaneous plan to go into the city centre for a walk. I got on the bus at 10:30 a.m. The bus was quite crowded, but I managed to find a comfortable seat near the window where I could watch the city pass by. When I arrived at the city centre, I immediately felt a wave of hunger. I walked to a small, cozy cafe that I had walked past many times before. I ordered a turkey sandwich and a glass of fresh, cold orange juice and a coffee too. The cafe was quiet and comfortable, and I took my time enjoying the meal while people watching. After I finished lunch, I walked over to a large historic bookstore. I really wanted to find a new mystery novel, but unfortunately, they didn't have anything that caught my eye. In the afternoon, I decided to visit the local park, which is famous for its beautiful gardens. I sat on a wooden bench for a long time and watched people walking their dogs and playing with their children. It was such a peaceful environment compared to the loud noise of the busy streets. By 5 p.m., I started to feel a little hungry again. I walked to a bakery nearby and bought a delicious, rich piece of chocolate cake. It was the perfect treat for the end of the day. I finally got home at 7 p.m. I felt a bit tired from all the walking, but I was also deeply refreshed. I spent the evening watching a movie on my laptop and relaxed on the sofa until I finally went to bed at 10:30 p.m. It was a simple, quiet day, but it was exactly what I needed to feel ready for the week ahead.